attempt to fix a broken lumbar piece on my 2013 Chevy Silverado. We put on new seat covers, some eBay seat covers. The other one's pretty burned. I didn't do a video on it because there's a dozen out there. I do notice that these eBay seat covers, I'm gonna have to do something about this bottom clip because it doesn't hold on good like the factory. Seat covers themselves, yeah, okay. They are darker. I don't know how much fading we got, but I think I was going to change the other side to match, be it darker too, but where do you stop? But overall, not bad on the covers. So we need to take this piece back off to get to the broken lumbar I found. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and some tools and remove this cover. Okay guys, this back seat cover, a little difficult to get out. What I find works the best that I've done is to pull down on this cover until it releases those two tabs that slide up in behind here. Once you get that done, you can work these tabs loose on the sides, and then finally I just reach my hand in and lift up on these two hooks. So that's what works for me. Here's our broken cover, or I'm sorry, lumbar. And I guess what happens is these rods break in half. It should be one unit. They go into the holes there, so yeah. We have to figure out how it goes back together. So I ordered this part number, should be good through up to the 2013 Silverado's 2082-4567 with the manual knob. Let's see, we need let's see if there's a knife in here. We'll get this cut open here. Oh, it comes with the cable and everything. Look at that. So, don't know if I want to run this whole new cable. I think my cable and adjuster's okay. Maybe. Let's see how this works here. Connects over to there. Yeah, I think we'll pop this guy out there. Come on. Oh. And the bottom one we'll take out. And then the cable runs through. Oh. That's tricky. Okay, let's unclip it here. If we unclip it, need to get that off. There we go. Okay, so that's like that. Might have to run for its back on these. If I get confused, looks like it's got some arrows up there. Let's unclip this new cable. Looks like it's clipped in here too. I guess this whole thing. Hold on just a sec. Okay. Went and got the tripod. Let's see. Get this Maybe I will run the new cable. All right. Getting this piece out is a little challenging. Looks like maybe I can lift it straight up. There we go. Okay. So that went in like that. So let's see if we can get this to do the same. Okay, and then so you need to tilt it down a little more, maybe. There we go. And we'll fish this cable back through here. All right, we got that on both ends. Clip our cable underneath. Like so. All right, now these two hooks got to go back in there. One on the bottom, one on the top. Same on the other side here. Well, we gotta take the old ones out. Okay. There's the broken ones. One through the bottom hole. One through the top. Okay. Well, I would say that's back together. Let's turn the knob. Seems kind of cheesy. I'm about ready to stick a piece of foam back there myself, but let's turn the knob, see if it does anything. Oh, look at that. So that's full in, full lumbar. Turn it back out. Yep. There you go. So there's no lumbar. Turn it in. That's all the way. I don't know. Gives you some support, I guess, but I can see how cheesy plastic. It's going to break. I'm surprised those rods break, but they do. It was about $55, $60 I found on eBay. OEM GM one. I think I was quoted like $140 from GM Direct without my discount. So you can find these online. I've seen guys make new metal pieces for them online out of, you know, something better than coat hanger, but my plastic was broken as well. So trying to repair that is no go. If you need an extra clip, I got a good clip. Maybe I'll throw that on eBay. What do you think? $10? All right, let's get this cover on. I'm going to try doing a reverse order while you're here. I'm going to pop in this top, or excuse me, the bottom. Those two hooks. Let's get you outside. Or get you back here. How's this gonna do? I'm not sure. All right, let's try it. I'm gonna cut this carpet down a little bit. It seems the eBay covers might be a little shy. All right, get your mounted back here. Just cutting this fabric a little bit, give me more clearance on those hooks. That looks better. All right, so I got the bottom hooks in. I'm just going to push down until the top ones are in. There we go. Push your cover underneath, and then the side ones pop into place. There you go. I could have left a little more room on these aftermarket seat covers, but it kind of goes in there. That's it. So pull down from the top, pull your clips out, get your side clips off, and I reach down and get those bottom clips. That's the easiest way I found to get that panel out. All right, that's it. Got that new lumbar support in. Give you a pic of that part number one more time. 20824567. Should be good through like 07 to 13. Chevy Silverado, Tahoes, whatever you got there. All right, we'll see you on the next edition. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.